In my last video, I showed that the Bytnex referral program pays $30 for every first level activation. Today, I'll show you how to use that math to your advantage. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get 4 active DeFi 24 contracts for $280 instead of the standard $400. That's a 30% discount achieved through smart use of the referral system. Before I show the dashboard, let me set proper expectations. This isn't a trick. This isn't a loophole. This is exactly how the Bytnex referral system is designed to work, and most users never take advantage of it. They pay full retail price for every contract, while the math right in front of them offers a 30% discount. The math, in simple terms: 4 DeFi 24 contracts at $100 each, that's $400 total. But every time someone in your referral network activates a contract, you get $30 in first-level commission. If 4 people sign up through your link and each one buys a contract, you'll get $120 in referral rewards. The effective cost of 4 active contracts becomes $280. Now I'll show you how this works, step by step. Step 1. I'm demonstrating by registering a new account through a referral link. This is the same process that anyone who clicks your link will go through. Notice the Upline sponsor field. It's already filled in. That's the most important detail. Every account registered through your referral link automatically becomes your first-level referral. No manual step needed. The sponsor ID gets locked in at registration and stays permanent. A quick note before we continue. Each Bytnex account needs a unique email address. If you don't have multiple emails ready, here's a simple trick. Gmail allows you to add a plus sign and any word after your username, and it still goes to the same inbox. So if your email is johndoe@gmail.com, you can register johndoe +1 +2 +3 at Gmail. Bytnex treats them as separate accounts. Your friends and family don't need this. They already have their own emails. But for demonstration purposes like this, the plus trick saves time. Same process for 3 more accounts. Each registration takes about 30 seconds. I'm using separate browser sessions to keep the demo clean. In a real scenario, these would be 4 different people you invited: friends, family members, or viewers of your content who found it valuable enough to sign up. Going back to the main account and checking the direct referrals page. There they are. 4 new first-level referrals just got added. Right now, they show as active, but with 0 contracts because nobody's bought anything yet. The referral connection is set up. The commission will kick in the moment a contract gets activated on any of these accounts. Step 4, deposit. I'm making a single deposit of $400 to the main account via Bitcoin. This is more efficient than 4 separate deposits because the Bitcoin fee only applies once. The deposit needs 3 blockchain confirmations, usually 30 to 90 minutes. While we wait, let me explain the next step. Once the funds hit the main account, I'll use the internal transfer function to split it out, $100 to each sub-account. Internal transfers inside Bytnex are completely free. No fees, instant credit. Now, internal transfers. On the main account, I go to Internal Transfer. I enter the wallet ID of the first sub-account, put in $100, and confirm. The transfer is instant. I repeat this for the other 3 sub-accounts. In 2 minutes, $400 are spread evenly, $100 on each of the 4 accounts. The main account balance is now 0. This is the most efficient way to fund multiple accounts on Bytnex. One small but important detail about wallet IDs. You'll find it in the dashboard of each account under My Wallet. Copy and paste it. Never type it manually because one wrong character will send the funds to someone else's account. Always double-check the recipient's address before confirming. Step 6. On each sub-account, I go to Apply DeFi Hybrid Contracts and buy 1 DeFi 24 single contract for $100. Activation is instant. The contract starts compounding right away. I repeat this for all 4 sub-accounts. Total, 4 DeFi 24 contracts activated, each running for 24 months. Now, watch how the referral system rewards me for the activity I just generated. And here's the result. I'm going back to the main account. The wallet shows $120 in referral rewards, exactly $30 per activation, multiplied by 4 activations. This shows up in the last referral reward field and gets added to the total rewards referral program balance. The money is mine, available to withdraw or to buy more contracts. Step 8, the last one. I'm withdrawing $120 back to a Bitcoin wallet. The minimum withdrawal on Bytnex is $100, so this amount goes through. I enter the destination address, confirm the request, and the withdrawal goes into processing. Once it's done, Bitcoin comes back to the wallet. Now let me show you the final math. Let's look at the final result. We put in $400, got $120 in referrals, withdrew it back. Net cost, $280 for 4 active contracts, 30% savings. And this scales. 8 contracts save $240. 20 contracts save $600. The more you scale, the more you save. Here's the deal. Sign up through my link in the description. Buy your first contract, and I'll personally send you $30 back to your Bitcoin wallet. No catch, just sign up through my link, buy 1 contract, email me at the address in the description, and $30 are yours. The link automatically fills in the sponsor ID. The system works automatically. Click the link now. Message me after your first contract. Leave strategy in the comments. See you in the next video.